it's Ty and Mommy's page, but we have a guest right here. This is my auntie.
Hello.
Gwen. And today we're going to be making slime, and we're going to be making fluffy slime, bright fluffy slime. So we're going to be making cloud slime. And the ingredients you need is a bowl, a mixing tool, some glue, some shaving cream, and something to make it into slime. I'm using a contact eye solution. And that's all you need. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
And
can't see it from the outside.
yeah. Open this. Hold on. Oh snap. Alright. Got it. Whatever. So you're just gonna put the glue in here.
How come I get no glue?
You do, it's right there.
Oh.
I have to go in.
So I just put it all in there?
Hold on. You gotta get the top off.
The top is? Oh. Get that off the table. Throw it in the trash.
There you go.
Yeah, yes, you must dispose of things properly. Put that in the trash.
In there?
Oh, I don't have trash out here?
No, we're just gonna put it on the side because we're gonna need it.
Oh, you're getting the glue on my... How come we didn't put paper towels down? Put that on pause. We gotta put
Hold
stuff
on,
in.
guys. So hey guys, I'm back. My auntie's coming in a minute, but so far we have the glue. It's in here. Just make sure you get try to get it all out. And if you can't, it's okay. Just add. You could add a little bit water to get it all out. That's if you don't mind just having a little bit more in here. But really, that's all. And once you get it all out, of the thing, you will need to all you need to do is really just, sorry if you hear that crow, we're literally outside. But yeah, so if you hear some noises, those are from the animals, but because we're outside, so just to let you know. And right now, I'm waiting on my auntie Gwen. Hold on, she'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we're back, guys, and we had to get a few more. Oh, sorry, guys. We had to get a few more ingredients, or
Should we share them with?
yeah. We had to get something.
A few more supplies.
A few more supplies. We had to get some hand wipes and newspapers put to
for the table.
And then we had to get a trash bag.
No, the trash bag.
Not sponsored. Anyway, so, hold on, scoot over a little bit more. So that way.
What do you mean by sponsored?
All right. Anyway.
Now, can I put my glue?
Yeah, all you have to do is pour all your glue in there.
You have to.
Why are you smelling the glue?
No.
You smelled the glue.
It's like lotion. Shampoo.
Shampoo.
Conditioner. Body wash.
No. You're going to be sticky.
Milk.
I think it's all out.
Well, I want to get all of it.
She about to go Hawk strong on it.
This is milk for your cereal.
No, don't fail. Big
Don't
fail.
do that.
So now that we
Trash.
can pour our glue in there,
We can put the
now we
empty
can
containers in the trash bag.
put the empty containers in the trash bag, and now we're gonna mix it so we can get all the
Can I
bubbles
get a
out.
mixer, please?
Your spoon should be over here.
It's right here.
Oh yeah.
Over there.
So you're just gonna mix it
Why are we mixing it?
to get all the air bubbles out.
Well, I just pop them like this.
Anyway, so after you do that, you can mix it or pop them. And then once you do that, you're going to need some shaving cream. Not sponsored. And this is to make it fluffy. So that way it's not sticky or anything. And you don't want to add too much. You want to add less than the
Can I put
glue.
my own in?
You can, yeah, you can do it.
That's gracious.
And then you're going to mix it up. And it's going to look like whipped cream.
Why are we doing this?
To make it fluffy.
Okay.
And not sticking. So after you do that, make sure you mix it up real good.
What do you mean not sponsored?
So, because that way it's not like, yeah. But now we're gonna add our contact eye solution. And you can use borax, you can use salt, but salt doesn't really work too good, so I would recommend borax eye contact solution or Stay Flow. You can find Stay Flow at Walmart and borax at Walmart too, and you can find this contact eye solution at Walmart or Family Dollar.
Mine's gonna be better than yours.
And then you're gonna add.
How much?
You wanna add like a teaspoon, but
Why didn't you measure? We have teaspoons.
yeah, you gotta add a teaspoon or just add a little bit, but not too much. You can stop mixing. Right.
Mine look really good. Yours look like they have issues.
Anyway, and now you wanna add.
How much? Oh, it's not open?
No.
I couldn't tell. How much?
Just. Oh yeah, I'll tell you. Stop.
So why'd you put more in yours?
Because I mixed mine up. And we'll mix it up real good, and then you want to keep adding some more until it.
Until what?
Until it feels like slime.
Oh, until it feels like slime? Oh, mine didn't feel like slime.
Exactly. That's why you gotta keep mixing. It should get to this type of texture.
What type of texture?
It should look like that.
This don't look like slime.
Exactly. You gotta keep adding this.
Can I put my own? Thank
I'm
you for telling me.
sorry. Hey, mine's making slime. Let's get it.
Oh.
Mix it. You have to go in.
Ooh.
See, it should be looking like that.
So, looking like what? It's getting clunky.
Yep, clumpy.
So you put more. Why can't I put more?
You can put more, but it should be. See, look at mine.
Mine is looking.
No, it's not slime yet. You gotta keep mixing. And you want to keep mixing until it feels like thick. And you want it to get once it gets thick, you want to just, and then you're gonna have to start going in with your hands.
Well, now see, I didn't know that was part of the deal. We didn't talk about my hands. Yeah.
To play with it and
Yeah,
stuff.
no. I don't know. We didn't say that part of it. Oh, I can see the texture changing.
Yep. And then just keep adding more and more.
You need to start measuring next time. The next supply.
I forgot to get bring my measuring cups.
Yes, that's what we need the next time. Measuring
So,
spoons,
see?
measuring cup.
And then you gotta add some more.
I know. I can tell.
And look at it, guys. It should be looking like that.
You just want because you know mine's gonna be better, don't you?
It doesn't matter.
I'm the what's this up called? The slime queen.
Oh wow, she said it's
See the
trying to.
texture.
So I just made
At
slime,
first
guys.
it was more liquidy. It was
You gotta have to keep mixing.
it was liquidy. Is that a word? Liquidy?
Yes, and now you gotta knead it.
I don't know if that's really a word, but it's
Liquid.
oh, we gotta knead it, really. Well, I'm not ready to put my hands in there just yet. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen.
So here's my slime, but I'm going to have to mix it.
I need some more. Is it open?
And we'll add a little bit more shaving cream to make it a little fluffier.
I
But
think
you
I
don't
want some
have
more.
to.
I think I want some more. Shaving cream. That's what I think. I want it fluffier.
And guys, I just made some slime. And my slime is great.
I don't know about that. Let Auntie see first.
Sorry guys, it's like competition mode. It is not even a competition.
It's not competition.
So look at my slime.
Look
guys.
at my slime, guys. I did it. Whoop whoop. Just like marshmallows.
It do. It's supposed to look like that since it's white slime. It's supposed to do that. And you're going to have to knead it in a minute to make it full slime.
What? You know what? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have paper and everything out right here.
Oh snap! It's all sticky on my hands. You're gonna have to get the ball. I can get the ball.
That doesn't make any sense.
Sorry guys, the slime got out of hand. Blame the slime.
No, blame the maker of the slime. To my right.
Oh, dang. My slime is ruined because it fell literally on the paper. And look at my hands. It's not a competition. But my hands, it still got slime on it, but I'm still going to play with my slime. My little bit of slime I got. I'm going to add a little bit of face.
Asia, if you do not get this from my table, how can this happen when I put this down specifically so this wouldn't happen? Hello? It's time to clean up.
Okay.
Because this is getting on my table. And this wasn't supposed to happen.
Alright, so.
This wasn't supposed to happen.
And I got my pinky ran over by David.
Excuse me, please. I'll get you a break, ma'am.
Sorry guys, we're gonna have to clean up real quick. But that's how you make slime. Just but you don't have to add the shaving cream if you don't want to. You can just
Perfect.
add glue.
Look at my slime, ladies
Just
and
add
gentlemen.
glue.
Boys and
Just
girls.
add
Whoa.
glue. and you was talking about me.
Oh no. Yeah, I still got it. I got it. So
I'm gonna need a paper towel. This stuff is burning.
it's what? Burning.
I got cut on my finger.
So you're going to need to go in and wash your hands.
But look at my slime. Yay! Slime. Slimy. It's slimy. But comment down below who you think you made the best slime. Comment G if you think she made the best slime. Anyway, and comment T if you think I made the best slime. So that's the end of our video,
Check this out,
guys. And all I have to say is comment, like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. And we will have more slime videos, more challenges, more pranks. Pranks are where it's coming up. And a whole bunch of stuff. So that's all. That's the end of the video. Bye, guys.
Comment G, number 1.
Comment
Whoop, whoop.
T down in the
Auntie
comment
G,
section.
Auntie G,
Comment
Auntie G,
Auntie. I mean,
Auntie
comment
G,
T.
Auntie G, Auntie G.
Comment T,
Auntie G.
guys. Comment T.